The nature of Norway.
Norway is well known for their spectacular northern lights and midnight sun. You can explore their hiking trails and scenic routes. Norwegians invented the sport of skiing. They also invented death metal. Norwegians eat lots of fish. They're famous for their history of Vikings. They're also famous for Viking longboats. Norway also has a volcano. Norwegians invented paperclips. Norway has 400,000 lakes. Norway invented the cheese slicer. Wild polar bears and wild reindeer live in Norway. They have no official religion. Watch out though. Norway has been suffering a butter shortage since 2008.